The young ones of animals and birds. The young one of a donkey or ass is called foal. The young one of a bat is called pup. The young one of a bear is called cub. The young one of a deer is called fawn. The young one of a frog is called tadpole. The young one of a fox is called cub. The young one of a duck is called duckling. The young one of a camel is called calf. The young one of a ox or bull is called calf. The young one of a dog is called puppy or pup. The young one of a cat is called kitten. The young one of a cock is called chicken. The young one of a goat is called kid. The young one of a goose is called gooseling. The young one of a horse is called colt or foal. The young one of a kangaroo is called joey. The young one of a monkey is called infant. The young one of an owl is called owlet. The young one of a peafowl is called peachick.